Hi everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today I'm going to talk about online health food stores. Some of my favorite places to buy those same products that you can pick up at your local health food retailers, but at a discount. And I'm going to be looking at 4 health food online shops as well as 1 online pharmacy. So let's get started. We'll start with FightACcost. This is one that I'm sure you are probably familiar with. They are an online health food store that sells beauty, food, baby products, pet food, pet products at a discount with discount prices. They offer coupons. They offer free shipping if you order $50 or more, although they will give you a little bit of leeway on that because I recently put in an order for like $49.50 and I still got the free shipping on it. They have special offers. They often have site-wide discounts of 10, 15, even 20%, and if you sign up through email, you'll be notified when those come up. If you are on a special diet like gluten-free or keto or paleo or vegan, you can browse in their sort of stores that cater to those specific diets. They also have healthy living blogs. They have recipes. So it's very much a full-service online retailer for all of your sort of healthy living needs. Next, I'm going to talk about LuckyVitamin. They are a direct competitor to FightACcost, so they have the same products. Their website is set up very similar to FightACcost website in that they have blogs and recipes, and they have kind of the same brands. Again, personal care, beauty, food. They also have very similar pricing and customer service to FightACcost, and really, when choosing between the two, often, sometimes FightACcost often sells out, or a lot of items go out of stock on FightACcost. So if I can find that same item on LuckyVitamin, I will get it. I will shop there. But for me, I sort of pick, since I do most of my shopping on FightACcost, it's because I get faster shipping from them. I guess FightACcost is pretty close to me because if I put in an order before 1 o'clock today, 1 o'clock p.m., I will get it tomorrow. So when choosing between like a LuckyVitamin and a FightACcost, I would say go with the one that gets you your items faster, that has the fastest shipping to you. LuckyVitamin has free shipping on orders of $49 or more. They also have some international shipping. And next, I guess the third installment of the big 3 would be IHerb. And IHerb, again, is an online health food store in that similar product lines to the other 2 that I mentioned: food, beauty, supplements. They all sort of have the same sort of thing that you would find at a large, like Whole Foods type bricks and mortar store. IHerb also has worldwide shipping, so no matter where you are, you can order through your particular country's site and get your items that way. Or if you're here in the United States and you want to ship to another country, you can do that as well. And IHerb, I find, usually has those out-of-stock items that if I can't find on the other 2 sites, I can usually find it on IHerb. There is a coupon code below, and if you use it, it's good for 5% and in some cases 10% off your order, and that's off any order. So I'll link the info and that code down below in the description bar. And then there's a site that I recently ordered from called Pure Formulas, and this site, it has the same, they say they have 40,000 items, and so you've got your full selection of supplements and beauty items and food items just like the other sites. However, all of their items are free shipping. The only exception is they have items that they call +1 items, where if you buy just that item, you would have to pay like a $3 shipping fee. But if you buy just that item and anything else, then again, it's free shipping. So if you can buy like 2 of the same item, or like if you've got like a tube of toothpaste, that's a +1 item. If you buy a protein powder or anything else along with it, then you are free shipping. And indeed, I just bought a bottle of vitamins, and it was free shipping. Also, the shipping was quite quick. It only took a few days, and as far as I can tell, I was I got a tracking, the same. It works the same as the others with tracking info and order confirmation and all that other stuff. So there are also coupons for the site, and what's really nice, of all the sites that I have frequented, this one seems to have the easiest website to navigate, and they put their coupons right on the item. So if, say, that day they are running a sale of 20% off on everything Garden of Life, well, instead of having to look through the website to find that particular coupon, if you happen to pull up a Garden of Life vitamins, the coupon will be right there, and with the code and everything. So it makes it really, really easy to find what you're looking for, and it's really easy to save money as well. They also have limited international shipping, just like LuckyVitamin does. So I've already placed 1 order with Pure Formula, and I'm looking forward to placing more, because they seem to be, really good company with. And again, I would say that their pricing, they may not have as deep a discount as you might find on, say, FightACcost, but certainly you can compare, and whoever has the best pricing. And again, if you only want to buy one thing and you don't want to have to pay shipping, then of course the Pure Formula is the way to go. Finally, the last online retailer I want to talk about is Pharmaco.com. And Pharmaco is an online pharmacy, like a CVS type place. So you're not going to find a lot of food there. They have things like tea and protein bars, that sort of thing. But they have a wide variety of supplements. That's their specialty, along with high-end beauty items. So Pharmaco has everything from drugstore brands to dermatological brands to indie brands. So their selection of beauty products is huge. So although you will find your better drugstore lines like Andalou Naturals, Accure, Davita, you'll also find your higher-end skincare and makeup lines as well. Well People, Bottega Organica, I've even seen Skin Owl on Pharmaco. So you have a really, really nice selection, and you also have a chance to buy some of these more expensive higher-end items at a discount, because Pharmaco periodically offers 20%, 25%, and 30% off site-wide sales. They also have a large selection of supplements, and I find that their in-house supplements are really, really high quality. I am a person who has corn sensitivity, so my supplements cannot have corn in them, and I find that most of Pharmaco's supplements don't. They are very clean and very high quality and very effective, which is why I buy most of my supplements from them as opposed to anywhere else. Also, they have free shipping on orders of $35 or more. And they also have international shipping. And Pharmaco is one of the few of these sites that actually puts free samples in your order, which I also really appreciate. Finally, one thing that you'll notice when you're shopping all these sites is that they all participate in Ebates. And Ebates, if you don't know, is a website that if you shop through their portal, they will give you additional cash back on any purchases that you make. So there's a link below where you can sign up, and yeah, it's an affiliate link, so I do get like a perk if you use that link. And I believe they're still running, and I'll double check this, but usually on your first order they give you $10 cash back immediately on your first order of $25 or more. So it's a really great program. I use it. I get cash, like I get a check like every, I think, quarterly, or you can have it deposited directly into your PayPal account, whichever is more convenient for you. And as you see, there's a little, you can download a little button onto your button bar, and anytime you visit a site that participates in eBate, you'll get the pop-up and it tells you exactly how much. Like you saw in Pharmaco, it was 5% cash back, which is, that's like half of our tax here in California. So that's an excellent, excellent deal. Okay, everybody, that's going to wrap it up for today. Next time I'll go through some of my sort of high-end beauty sites for you. In the meantime, though, if you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and, of course, subscribe, because I'd love to have you and I'd really appreciate it. Let's see what else. If you're wondering what's coming up here on Free Range Diva, there's going to be a couple of food videos that I have planned. And since my 101 facial oil video was so popular, I'm going to do another one in February, and this one's going to be toners, essences, and hydrosols 101. So keep watching, and in the meantime, until I see you again, everybody take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!